Most professionals think building extra income requires more time. AI changes that equation. The goal isn't more hours, it's multiplied output. Not a 6-month overhaul, not a startup launch, a controlled build. Choose one area where your current job overlaps with AI. Reporting, workflow automation, documentation, analysis. Income begins where friction exists. Find a repetitive task businesses hate doing. Do not build a business, build a solution. Keep it simple. Clear problem, clear outcome, clear price. Example: AI report automation setup. Clients don't care about prompts. They care about save time. Turn your process into a repeatable system. Templates, prompt libraries, checklists. Build once, reuse forever. It's not about the money, it's about proof. Rule 1: no weekends. Rule 2: max 5 hours per week. Rule 3: systemize early. Optionality is built with discipline, not exhaustion. Once you generate income outside your employer, your psychology shifts. Your job stops feeling fragile. In the final Phase 3 video, we'll combine everything into a full income insurance strategy. If you like the content, click on the icon to subscribe. That way you won't miss when the next video is released. Also, if you're enjoying the content, give us a like and leave a comment if you have anything to say.